Tomorrow we will be 5 weeks, so I decided to give them some vegetables. What are the vegetables I'm giving to them? I gave them pawpaw leaf. I pound it, mixed with bitter leaf, and there is this particular leaf they normally use it to remove a navel. I don't know the name. I don't know what it is called. I dropped a video. You can watch and see the picture, the video of the leaf. So I pound it together to make a juice for them, and I added the vegetables to their food, and they are happy eating it. So please take your birds, let me say their healthiness, please take it as a business. Take it very seriously. Look at them, very happy eating the vegetable, and in their mind and in their soul they are also praying for me. You can see. That is a prayer going on there. God bless you. God bless you. You know, they will be praying for you. So please, if your bells are stooling or you have given them enough antibiotics, I beg, it's time to switch. Switch to this native organics drinks for them, or juicy or vegetable, whichever way you call it. Healthy bed, healthy living, and you sell, you'll be happy. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please use this to encourage me.